Hello everyone, and welcome to the Florist Review weekly how-to video. My name is Lori McNorton, and today I want to share with you a design with some gorgeous roses. I was at the wholesaler the other day and they showed me these new roses. They're called Toffee. Oh my gosh, they are gorgeous. Look at these. Whoa, look at these. Are those beautiful or what? Toffee. So I thought, well, I know Valentine's is coming up and everybody uses red, but these are pretty luscious right here. So I thought, well, let's make a design with those. So with it still being kind of spring, I have some pussy willow that I want to kind of make a grid for our vase. So I just did typical vase, any vase will work. Added my water, and so then let's make a grid with the pussy willow and some ribbon. And this is a mesh ribbon from Harvest Import, and it holds up in water, so it's kind of a plasticky, kind of meshy ribbon. So it's perfect. So what I did was I just cut a few strips here. I'll get my scissors here. I just took 3 pieces of the pussy willow and then tied them together. And I am not going to cut them yet because I'm not sure the length that I want. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure I'll need all those either, but as we go, we'll see. So I'm just going to put a couple dashes on the top of this vase, and I'm going to use those to secure my grid. Now, as I get the grid made, you know, the pieces will intertwine and they will stay, but to start out with, I think this will be a little bit easier. So, got my dashes there. So, like I said, I'm just going to take and go crosswise here. Another one. Do the same. And you can continue to do that if you want to use the the dashes. I don't think I need to. I'm just going to kind of crisscross in here. And I'm even going down and back up. Oops. See, it caught a dash. There we go. That. And let's cut this one down a little bit. A little more natural grid. I think it's kind of cool. I think it's going to work. Again, I'm just going to kind of weave in and out of there. And then if you feel like you need to cut some of it off, you can, but I don't think we do. You know what? Because this one isn't really caught. So again, I'm just going to take a dash. If you don't work with these dashes, you should get some and try them. There are Smithers Oasis dashes on a roll. Okay, so there, that's our grid. I think that's going to be kind of cool. All right, so let's add some flowers. Now, you know, I've had these sitting out for a few days because I wanted them to open so that you could actually see just how beautiful these are. Add a couple more. Okay, we could stop with just the toffee, or also another one of my favorite that I've been seeing a lot of is this deep red. It's called Hearts, and it almost has like the heart center. So let's just add a touch of color. They almost look like a garden rose, and they almost look like a dahlia. They're just beautiful. grid is holding up these flowers. Let me add one more here. Right here. There. Okay. Now, I could even leave it just like that, or I do have a few pieces of pussy willow left, which I can add to the bouquet. That way you have a little bit of ribbon in there. You have the natural stems of the pussy willow, and you have these beautiful toffee and heart roses. It's a completely different combination, but who wouldn't love this bouquet for Valentine's? Okay, thank you for tuning in. Be sure to join us next week. Have a great day. Thank you.